today we wanted to come on and tell you about this universal remote that we purchased to use with our Samsung TV. So today we just wanted to tell you about it, why we've enjoyed it, and answer some common questions that people have about it. So the first question is it difficult to set up? So that's actually one of the features that we really love about this remote. All you have to do is put a little pressure on the back, and then the back will slide off, and then you're going to use two AA batteries right there in the back. You slide it back on, and then the great thing is you don't have to program it or anything. You just point it right at your TV and it will start working for you right away. So there's no programming, no setup, just put the batteries in and you're ready to go. Is the remote layout user friendly? So yes, if you look here, I'm gonna turn it so you can kind of see all the buttons at the same time. The buttons are nice and equally spaced out, which makes it easy to press and not accidentally press another one. And they're also labeled nicely, so it's very easy to find what you're looking for. If you want to go back to your home base or those buttons we talked about earlier, then right here you have your volume up. You just simply press it up, volume down, or channel up or channel down, just like that. So there's a variety of buttons, like we said, and they're super spaced out and easy to see. So that's a great feature. What is the range of the remote? So the remote can be used up to 30 feet from the TV. Does this remote work with all Samsung TVs? It is compatible with most Samsung TVs, but you definitely want to check the list of TVs which it's compatible with before purchasing this remote to be sure that it will work with your TV. So we hope you found that helpful. We hope it answers some of the questions that you have about this universal remote and helped you with your purchasing decisions. Have a great day.